focus then to the pharma space, where CNBC TV18 remains ahead of the curve. Glenmark and Natco Pharma both in the spotlight on the back of their drug launch plans. Ekta Batra joins in to take us through the impact on both the companies. Ekta.
Well, yes, there are two exclusive launches that we're going to see of particular drugs from two pharma companies. First, I'll start with Natco Pharma, which has launched Tamiflu generic in the US markets. Now, remember that Tamiflu is basically used for swine flu. It's around a $400 million drug for Natco Pharma with its partner Alvogen. Now, importantly, the time that they're launching is around the flu season in the US markets. So, for example, the US flu season runs all the way from November all the way to March, and hence they would possibly capitalize on this in terms of the 6-month exclusivity that they have. Analysts expect them to make around $60 to $70 million on the upper end from this particular launch, Tamiflu generic in the US markets. Glenmark is the other one, which is expected to launch Zetia generic, which is basically a cholesterol drug in the US markets. It's scheduled to launch commercially on the 12th of December with its US partner. Now, it is important because it's around a $2.5 billion market size for Glenmark, and on the upper limit, it could add anywhere between, it could add around 36 rupees on the upper end of its EPS on account of this 6-month exclusivity, where they could generate anywhere between $200 to $250 million in terms of profits from this particular drug. So two important launches coming up for two pharma companies.